discuss about Laffer Curve. Laffer Curve was originated by Professor Arthur Laffer. The Laffer Curve shows the relationship between tax rate and tax revenue. Laffer Curve assumed that a cut in the marginal rate of tax will increase incentive to work, save and invest. This tax cut in turn will increase the tax revenue. The Laffer curve shows two extremes of tax rate. There is 0% tax rate and 100% tax rate. Both yield no tax revenue. If the tax rate is 0%, no revenue will be raised. If the tax rate is 100%, people will have no incentive to work, save, invest at all, because whole income will go to the government. Thus, the tax revenue will again be zero. Let us see the diagrammatic explanation of Laffer curve. Horizontal axis shows the tax rate and vertical axis shows tax revenue. As the tax rate is raised above zero, the tax revenue starts increasing. When the tax rate is at T1 level, the tax revenue fixed as R1 level. This is minimum level of tax revenue. When the tax rate is increased from OT1 to OT, the revenue also increased from OR1 to OR. The tax revenue reached the point P, which is the optimum level, and the tax revenue is minimum at OR. When the tax rate increases to OT2, the tax revenue will start decline to OR1. Except optimum level, there are always two tax rates that yield same level of revenue. For the high level of tax rate OT2 and the low level of OT1, the tax revenue remains the same at OR1. Laffer curve is criticized that nobody knows the location of the optimum point P or the exact shape of this Laffer curve. Hope you understand all Laffer curve. Thank you.